Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're jumping into Proton Drive, a secure, privacy-first cloud storage service. In this video, I'll cover what it is, how to set it up, its key features like encryption and sharing, a hands-on tutorial, a detailed pricing breakdown, and who it's best for. Let's dive in. So, what's Proton Drive? It's a cloud storage platform from Proton, the team behind Proton Mail and VPN. Launched in 2022, it's all about privacy with end-to-end encryption. Only you can access your files, not even Proton. Based in Switzerland with strict privacy laws, it's perfect for photos, documents, or anything sensitive. Let's see how it works. Setting up is a breeze. Go to drive.proton.me, click Sign Up Free, pick a username, set a password, and you're in. No personal info needed. You'll land on a sleek web interface. Want more? Grab the desktop app for Windows or Mac, or the mobile app for iOS and Android. I've got it on my phone, super convenient. Log in and you're good to go. Now for the fun part, features and how to use them. First, uploading. Drag and drop files, like this cat pic I took yesterday, into the browser or app. It's encrypted before it even uploads, so it's locked down tight. It takes a sec, but it's worth it for security. Next, sharing. Click a file, hit share, and generate a link. You can add a password or set an expiration date, like 7 days. I'm sending this to my buddy now. They'll need the password I set. It's like a digital deadbolt. Version history lets you roll back to an earlier version. The free plan gives you 10 revisions for 7 days, while paid plans extend that to 10 years. Just right-click, choose version history, and pick your save point. Then there's Docs, encrypted document editing right in Proton Drive. Think Google Docs, but private. It syncs across my devices instantly, perfect for notes or collaborative work. It's slower on the free plan, but it works like a charm. Proton Drive keeps it simple, yet powerful. Now, let's talk pricing. Proton Drive offers options for everyone. The free plan gives you 5 gigabytes of storage, encryption, basic sharing, and docs. Plus, you can earn extra space with tasks like email verification. Great for light users. Drive Plus is $4.99 a month, or $3.99 yearly, dropping to $3.49 for 2 years. That's $48 a year for 200 gigabytes, plus 10-year version history and priority support, ideal for solo users. Proton Unlimited is $11.99 monthly, $9.99 yearly, or $7.99 for 2 years, about $119.88 annually. For 500 gigabytes and access to all Proton apps, Mail, VPN, Calendar, Pass, a true privacy powerhouse. Proton Family is $29.99 a month, or $19.99 yearly per user, up to 6 people sharing 3 terabytes, totaling $239.88 a year for a family, with everyone getting premium features. Drive Professional is $6 per user per month for 1 terabyte, scaling up for businesses needing secure teamwork. So, who's Proton Drive for? If you're big on privacy and want a secure spot for your files, this is it. It's great for individuals, teams, or families who prioritize security over speed. Uploads can lag a bit, and it's pricier per gig than Google Drive, but you're buying peace of mind. I love the encryption and seamless sync. It's perfect if you're already in the Proton ecosystem. Ready to try it? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech goodness.